Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best redacting marker is probably one of the most underrated tools in your arsenal, especially if you deal with sensitive documents. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of redacting markers, exploring their features, and helping you choose the perfect one to safeguard your privacy. We'll cover everything from the different types of markers to the best brands on the market, ensuring you can confidently redact any document. Number 5. ExcelMark Security Redaction Marker. This redaction marker is perfect for keeping your information safe. It's designed to black out sensitive details on your documents, ensuring your privacy. Use this pen to conceal private data on confidential forms. It's an easy and effective way to protect yourself from identity theft and unwanted access to your information. Easily hide mailing addresses on envelopes and packages. This marker provides a simple solution for safeguarding your home address and other personal details. Hide personal information on prescription bottles and price tag gifts. This marker is a discreet way to keep your information private. Redact private information line by line, or multiple small sections within your document. The marker gives you control over what you want to hide. The obscured text won't be picked up on scanners or copy machines. It's a reliable way to ensure your documents remain secure and confidential. What we like. This pen is perfect for precise redaction. It allows you to redact line by line, ensuring complete privacy. If you have sensitive documents with specific information to hide, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The marker works great. It covers the text completely. The design is perfect for covering up addresses and other sensitive information. Number 4. ExcelMark Identity Theft Guard Stamp and Redaction Marker. Worried about identity theft? This is the perfect solution. It effectively hides your sensitive information on various documents. The 1.5-inch wide roller provides ample coverage. It's designed to quickly and cleanly conceal your private data. This stamp makes redacting information easy and fast. The wide coverage area and quick-drying ink save you time compared to shredding. Using this stamp is simple. It's pre-inked, so all you need to do is open it and start swiping. It's safe and easy to operate. The kit includes the rolling identity theft guard stamp and a security redaction marker. It's everything you need to protect your privacy. What we like. This roller stamp offers wide coverage, making it quick and easy to redact large areas. The ink dries fast, saving you valuable time. If you're looking to quickly redact a lot of information, this is the perfect solution, saving you time and effort. What people say. The roller works great. One swipe and total coverage. It works better than any other item. Excellent producto, como se menciona solo funciona en papel y es muy útil para deshacer de correo o tickets que pueden contener information confidential, en lugar de romperlos solo lo pasas por encima el rolito y listo, smiley face. Number 3. Artline Redaction Marker 12-pack. Worried about sensitive information? This marker is designed to conceal private details on documents. The special ink ensures your data stays confidential and unreadable. The ink adheres firmly to the paper, making sure that the information is completely hidden. It's designed to prevent any chance of the information being scanned or read, keeping your data safe. This marker uses a dense ink, similar to a stamper, to completely obscure any text. This makes it perfect for situations where discretion is key, providing you with peace of mind. The 4.0mm chisel tip allows for precise control, creating straight lines with the right density. It works well on most paper types, and it's also safe for indoor use. Artline has been creating high-quality ink formulas for 100 years. The company's dedication to quality makes these markers stand out, and they are popular in over 90 countries worldwide. The difference is in the ink. What we like. This marker ensures secure concealment with its dense, opaque ink. The ink adheres firmly to the paper, making sure the information is completely hidden. If you need a reliable way to conceal sensitive information, this marker is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These markers have an opaque paint-like ink that covers up printed text completely with one pass. You press the tip on a piece of paper, that doesn't bleed onto anything, until the ink shows on the tip. Worked very well. I suggest doing 2 or 3 coats on some types of packing. Number 2. ExcelMark Rolling Identity Theft Stamp, Small. Are you worried about identity theft? This stamp is the perfect solution. It effectively hides your sensitive information on various documents. This stamp is designed to cover your social security number, bank statements, and more. It's a simple way to protect yourself from fraud. The 3/4-inch roller provides quick and clean coverage. It's perfect for covering addresses on bills and other private details. This stamp dries quickly, allowing you to cover information faster than a paper shredder. It's a convenient time saver. The stamp is pre-inked, so all you need to do is open it and start swiping. It's safe and simple for anyone to use. This stamp can cover up to 100 meters. When the ink runs out, you can easily refill it, ensuring long-term use. What we like. This stamp offers adjustable length for covering private information quickly. It's pre-inked and easy to use, so you can start redacting immediately. If you want a simple and efficient way to protect your information, this stamp is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The marker works great. It covers up the text completely. I like the design. Number 1. Secure ID and Marker Combo, Identity Theft Blockout. Worried about identity theft? This combo is designed to block out your personal information. It's a simple and effective way to keep your data safe. This combo is perfect for junk mail, credit card statements, and bills. The special pattern ensures your sensitive information is completely obscured. Forget noisy shredders. This stamp and marker offer a convenient alternative. You can block out the info and then shred for extra security. The stamp is pre-inked and ready to go. It's good for thousands of impressions and can be re-inked easily. Just remove the cover to refill. The stamp covers an area of approximately 7/8 x 2 to 3/8 inches. It uses water-based black ink and works best on non-glossy paper. Avoid using it on large or bold text. Need to cover text the stamp can't handle? The secure marker is perfect for glossy paper and large text. It ensures complete coverage where you need it. What we like. This combo includes both a stamp and a marker, offering versatile protection. The marker works great on glossy paper, which is a common challenge for other products. If you need to redact information on various types of paper, including glossy surfaces, this combo is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This saves time and stress on my shredder when I only have a couple spots on a page to protect. I use it for checks before I take pictures for an extra step of security. Works well. The stamp works very well. Covers well but need to let dry and then recoat for shine items. Stamp works great on envelopes or sheet paper letters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.